Okay, today I want to talk about fire extinguishers. Of course, it's something you want to know how to use, but you don't ever want to use one. That's right. So what you can do is you can just take an old fire extinguisher and pull the pin and shoot it off and see how big a cloud it creates, when you're going to put out a fire in your kitchen or something, because it's really going to make a mess. So anyway, when the needle starts getting towards empty or is on empty and you've never used it, you need to replace it. Also, every 10 years you need to replace it. But how do you know when 10 years has gone by? Well, it turns out that on the bottom there is a date. And this one says 93. That's right, it was manufactured in 1993, so we got these when we bought the house. Yeah, that's a long time ago. So, thank goodness we've never used it, but it's time to replace them. So I bought this one, just went to Walmart and grabbed it. I think it was 17, 18 bucks, cheap insurance. I wrote the date on here, 2021, but on the bottom you can see it says 2021. But I never knew that all these years. I didn't know that the date of manufacture was on the bottom. And to be honest with you, I can't even tell you how I knew that. So I bought these ABC fire extinguishers, and I'm not going to go into all that. You can educate yourself on what A and B and C is. There are instructions right here, but really what I suggest you do is you take your old fire extinguisher and just shoot it out in the yard and see what it does. Discharge it and become familiar with it, because in an emergency the last thing you want to do is read the instructions while the fire is, burning your curtains and spreading all over the place. So, anyway, the main point of this video is the date, manufacturing date, not expiration date, manufacturing date, right on the bottom of the label. So, check it out. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.